Hope you all can see my screen. So now we'll be starting with Playwright. First of all, do one thing, create a new folder. Do one thing, file, open folder. Okay, create a new folder. So our batch is 8 a.m. Playwright. I am waiting at 8 a.m. Okay, it is already there. I am making 8 a.m. daily, 8 a.m. daily. Okay, I have created select this folder. Everyone do this. Now, now go to terminal. Okay, new terminal and give here npm init playwright type script. Okay, enter, enter. So when you will do installation, you will find, see, installing it, zero availabilities, downloading browsers, everything it is doing. You will find it is creating many files. Everyone, please do.
Sir, this is the first step, right? NPM init playwright at the rate
Yes,
latest.
latest.
Okay.
Hi Abhinav, I
Yeah,
joined late. I'll just have to initiate and this
you have to.
like just this command to install, right?
This is the command.
Okay,
npm init playwright at the rate latest.
okay, I'll do it. Okay, thank you.
I'm not pasting it. Right. Everyone able to install it?
गाडीवर कोणी लावलं प्लीज दोन पाच डबा घंटा होता कुठल्या रेटावाल्याला
Please go for mute.
काय ते म्हणतात डबा सकाळ सकाळ काय घेऊन फालतूपणा करतात लोक
Okay, done. Hello. Now, now let's create your sheet. First thing is there is a folder known as playwright.config.ts. So this is the file. You can see. Please go for mute. Hello. Yes. Okay. So if you can see this file, it has multiple configurations. Okay. So this is basically a configuration file. Fine. It include what is your cross browser setup. So you can see three browsers are given over here. Okay. It tells about the multiple environments, CI/CD environment. Okay. So it has a inline comments. Okay. Before explaining everything, you can see base URL. You can put trace if you want to trace all the things. So these all informations are given in your playwright config.ts. Okay. Next file is package.json. So this is basically, it includes pre-configured npm script. Okay, pre-configured npm script. So with the help of it, we can run on different mode. So you can see common JS, Node.js, all these types of node are there. You can run. It is not so useful for you, but for knowledge, I am telling you. Next is package log.json. So what is package log.json? See, it is automatically generated by nodes, node package manager, NPM. When you install NPM, it is generated. So contains, it can contain all the dependencies. If you have seen in Selenium, we used to have the dependencies in the same way. Log package log.json has all the dependencies. Fine. Next, it is related to Git. And your All the code is always written in test. The sample is there. Everyone, please open this sample. You can see a sample is there. You can see there are test means a test case. Test means a test case. So there are two test cases are there. One has hash title and another is get started link. Two titles are test cases are there. Okay. So you can see we have two test cases. If you go to and we have three browsers. We have three browsers. So it will run on 3 into 2, 6 times. So now we have total 6 test cases. Two test case will run on each browser. So how we can run it? See, if you give this command npx playwright test. If you run this command, see now it is running and it is running in background. It will always run in background. Okay. 6 test cases are running, 6 workers. 6 workers are one process for everything. One. So all the 6 test cases passed. Now I want to run all these 6 test cases in my front. So how can I do? npx playwright. Okay, test. See, test means everything in the test case folder will run. So everything in the test case folder will run. And I give header. See what I am giving? Just add HGADED. Means now this is a headed format. Now this will run uh, in your uh, on the browsers. I will now run it. HGA, but some mistake I have done. And PM playwright test. Space should not be there. Now if I run C6 test cases, now it is launching the browser. It will launch your all the three browsers and run it. Everyone, please try this at your end. I am giving you 5 minutes. See these commands and write out. Because see, if you don't able to do these things now, then struggle will start.
Abhinav, I'm getting error while installing.
Hmm?
I'm getting error while installing.
What error you are getting? Google it out. Google it out.
404 E404.
Share your screen.
I can share my screen.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Everyone try. Everyone. I cannot see your screen. I will share the command on chat. No issue. Hello, I cannot see your screen.
Hi, sir. Share. See, sir.
Don't do. I told you create a new folder.
Okay, the same folder we can't do it.
We can do it, but there are possibility of getting the errors.
Okay. Okay,
That's
I'll
why I
try that.
created.
I'll try that again. Thank
Hmm.
you.
You want a command? I am giving you a command.
Okay. Okay. I'll
Okay.
stop sharing. Huh?
Do it. Press because we are doing the things. I have seen the issues when you do it on the same window many times. Those who have created will not face the issue.
Abhinav, what about the command which through which we can run into the background?
Yes, I have just filled it out. Just remove
Yeah.
headed from it.
Okay. Okay.
Hmm.
Abhinav, I think the code is not running in the Chrome browser.
Everyone? So done? Everyone?
Uh, Abhinav, I have completed, but the code is not running in the Chrome browser.
You do have Chrome browser?
Sorry?
Do you have Chrome browser?
Yes, I have.
And actually it is so fast you won't able to realize. We will run separately in Chrome browser, our new code. Okay? I will
Okay.
show you when we run. It is very fast. I will show you.
Okay.
Abhinav,
Hmm.
it is suggesting one command to open the HTML report. So shall we do it?
No, 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 don't do it. I haven't come on it till now.
Okay.
Okay, so now, now what I will do, we are here. Now see, try to things, understand what I am saying. See, we have first thing is browser. Remember, first thing, as soon as you launch a browser, as soon as you launch a browser, its server starts, its engine starts. Okay. So if I launch, its engine starts. Okay. Fine. So as soon as engine will start, you will get a user context. This is a user context. Okay. This is a user context you will get. And when you will click on it, this is a new tab. This is a new tab. Fine. So we have three things. First of all, is the new, you will be launching the fresh browser. Okay. We will be launching the first fresh browser. Okay. After that, what we will do? After that, we will be launching its user context. This is the user context, and after that, we will be moving on a tab. After that, we will be launching a new tab. So how can we do it? Now? Let's see. So see how we can see. This is the way we can. You have to first of all, it is sync. You have to import this thing. Import the playwright. So in the test, I am deleting this. You can take this. Okay, import. You have to import playwright. I just go over here, new file. Okay, so I made it as browser context. Okay, I copy. You have to import text. Now, let's Chrome was not working. I am taking Chromium. I will import Chromium. Chat. Now we have to create a test case. Now we need to create a test. And we will create multiple window. Okay. Now this is a test case we are creating. So a test case, and this is the comment on the test case. Got it? This is the comment comment on the test case. Fine. Now what I give and give browser. Now browser server. Okay. I will be giving browser. This is the variable. You know all this now. Await. So see, for any launching, any do any activity which is related to browser, you need to give await because you have to wait for a time. Okay. This is a process. You have to give await. You have to give await. Fine. So I am giving here await. Await. Now Chromium was not launching. Chromium dot launch. Now the server will launch. After that, we need to launch its user context. So go over here, launch user context, await browser dot new context. After that, we need to launch the tab. So page, you can say page also. Launched page is equal to await new page. This will launch a new page. This will launch a new page for you. Now I have to launch a website. Same, see, await page, go to this website. So I will give, let's go to a website, await page dot wait, sorry, page dot go. I launch a site, say Reddit. I go and launch the site. Now, see, this is very fast action. I will show you now. Let me run this. Okay. So how to run a specific program? how to run a specific program. So just go over here and give, say, npx playwright test. This command will remain the same. And now we have to go under this folder, test. Under that, which program I want to run? I want to run browser context dot. Now see, it is three workers. It is running for three workers. I haven't given the heading for it passed. Now what I do, I just go and comment other. I comment two browsers. Okay. I go and comment two browsers. See how to comment. Comment you if you guys want to comment, comment it. Okay, comment it out. I have commented, so I have just put it from now. Now I want to run it. I want to see it's running. So we will put in edit. HEADED. Now if I run it, see one browser, Chrome has launched, Ready has launched. Okay, it is so fast. This is launched and skipped. So if you want to see proper launching, you want it should wait for 2-3 seconds. Okay, if you can give a timeout also. So I can give a timeout. Say I go over here, wait dot wait for time. I can again launch a browser context. So browser is launched. Let's launch another context. See, I'm copying just the code. I am launching different site now. So context I launch now. Then new context B. Okay. Browser will be page will be B. B. I give yahoo.com. Let's run it out. Create run. First ready. 2 seconds it will be at now. Now see. This is going to new context. Why didn't it launched? Yahoo was so fast. No. So I go and see, I gave await user context, that is fine. We await browser new context, page B. I have to use page B over here. Okay, because we are using non-new tab. Go and launch ready. 2 seconds, it launched here. If any some security comes, we will allow. Okay, see, it is taking time to launch. It is not our issue. Please closed. Okay, got it. Please write it out. Let me know any issues you are having. Actually, see, time passed. It was taking time, so it failed. It is showing it was time passed. But you have to put extra time out again in that case. Any questions, please let me know. Any question? Everyone able to make it? Okay. Now, now there are now we have to work on the things. Now we need to work on the things. Fine. We need to identify the elements. See how to identify the element first. Thing. What is the elements? If you go on any site, so these are the buttons like okay tabs. These are elements. These are the drop down. These are elements. These drop downs. If you click, these all are objects, and we can call in our term as the elements. So you have to identify these elements, and you have to work on. Them. You have to identify these elements, and you have to work on. Them. Fine. So there are very different ways where you can work on it, where you can work on it. So suppose let's start. If I go over this site, now I will show you many things. If you go on this site, okay, or before that, let me show you something else. If I go to Wiki, this is a site. You can see all has a text on it. So if you right click over here, okay, you will find this is known as a DOM. This is known as the DOM. It identifies, it starts from the start, top, HTML beginning from here. And it goes down till the element. So see, this is the path of this element. We also call this path as X path. We will study more about X paths. We also call this path as X path. So it is starting from top and it is going till down. Okay. It is going till. So this is basically known as X path. This is known as X path. Okay. And now if you see any element, if I see this element, this pen, so see it has a label as you can see Wikipedia and it is coming under heading 1, H1. Anyone of you has experience in HTML can easily know about it. Now suppose I want to take this element and click, I want to click on this. I want to click on this. So you can see a title is associated with, a title is associated with. So now I will be working on locators. So I will take one locator that is title. I will take one locator with get by title. One locator is get by title. So we are working on locators, how we can identify the things. If I go over here, create a new file, get by title. Okay. I take this code as it is because we have to launch these things. Why should I write again? I'm copying this code. I'm just putting the comment as get by title. Now, now I want to go to Wikipedia. So I am taking this also. See, you guys have to write. Okay, you cannot copy paste because you have to make it as a practice. So I put it as Wikipedia. Fine. I make it as Wikipedia. Now this will launch the website Wikipedia. Clear? Till now we have done. Now I want to take the title. So I want to take out that element. So that is get by title. So how can I take it out? I go to const
Uh,
title is equal to just speak
nothing. Sorry.
get by title. Okay, I am taking by title. So let's go over here. What is the title over here? It is something like this. See, I am taking a random thing. This is something we name the logo. I am taking this. Okay, copy it. And I am taking this. So now this element will be taken by title. It will check title is there with this thing and it will be stored under title. Now let's wait for 2 seconds, 3 seconds, or 5 seconds. Because see, the site loading may take time, then it will fail. It has an automatic time wait of 30 seconds. Okay, if it crosses it, then it will show the error. Now I want to check whether this title is visible or not. I want to check whether this title is visible or not. So how can I check it out? Just go here, wait, right? Okay, title dot e e and should be visible. Let's wait for another 2 seconds. It will check it out. And let's click on that title also. Let's click. So I give await. Any action on the website we have to give await. Title dot. Okay. And let's wait for two. And over. Okay. Now let's run it. Wait by right. Okay. Now it is going over. Now it will wait for 2 seconds. And after it, let's see it clicks or not. See, it won't and clicked over. Ask the questions. Ask the questions. No questions, please write it down.
Sir, is there a naming convention like we have to use spec.ts in the test?
Line number?
Sir, like, is there a naming convention because you have used get title spec.ts? So for every, we need to use some file.
Specs.ts should be there. Dot. Okay. Don't give space between the name. Okay. Specs.ts will be there. Fine.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Are you going to run? Let's move to next program. No. I am on the same website, Wiki. Now I want to click on English. Okay. Next we are seeing is the get by text. If I right click on, so I told you, see, this is a text actually. If it is anything which is not which is not under double quotes is a text. Anything which is not under double quotes is text. But the issue is that you can see one more English is there here. So we have two English. So we need to click on the first one. Okay, I will show you how we can do it. I create that by text. We do the practice daily else. I'm copying till here. Okay, get by text. Okay, I need to get the element. How can I get? Or see, without getting, or you can directly click also. You don't have to. If I go and directly click also, it will work. Okay. If I don't take it in a variable and do this thing, a single line can also work. How can I do it? If I go over here, I go and see await. get okay, I am taking English. Now it should be exact. Exact colon means it should be exact. E is capital, it should be E capital. So there should be no some small, it should be exact. I'm taking it. Now we have two elements. So dot and it. Which element you want to get? I want to get first element and the zeroth element. It will be the zeroth. Let me check it out. I have confused. And then click on it. And then click. Get the zeroth element and click on it. Fine. Now and let's wait for 2 seconds. Let's wait for 2 seconds. Okay, let's run it get by text. I go over this, I run it, so it is running. 2 seconds it will wait. There is no zero, it will be one only. That's why it is showing. I will put one. It starts from one. I thought index starts from, I've just forgot. So see, it is looking, still looking for element, but it will not find. And it is showing me error. The timeout, it has tried to find it out, but it doesn't find. So I give it as zero. Save it and let's run it. It clicked on it. Okay. Any question, anyone else? So it worked on zero only. It was zero. I haven't changed anything. Wait. I didn't. I think it was a timeout issue. So zero is the first element. It's the indexing is zero. See, it's worked. Okay. So zero is the first element. One, two, three. It's like an index. Right? Anyone has any question in this? So what all we have done today? We have installed Playwright. We have studied about Playwright config, TS, package.json, package logs.json. What they do? You have to just remember, don't remember anything, just these are the it has. Second thing, we have seen example.specs. We have created browser context. See, browser context is the interview question. Okay. Next, we have seen the locator. Two locators we have seen. These are the interview questions. You have to type get by text, get by title, and other we will study tomorrow. So we have to go through. Any question anyone has? Either all have understood.